Okay, I'm getting ready to sow some plums seeds and lemon seeds that I kept from a store-bought plum and the lemon seeds that came off of my lemon tree this season. And I wet them down and put them in a Ziploc bag to help the seeds to germinate. Now I'm getting ready to take them out of the plastic bag and sow them in some container pots, in some little container cups, and see if I can grow me a plum tree and another lemon tree. Okay, here's my plum and my lemon seeds. Look like I have one already. Look like it has something growing out on it. Let's see over here on the lemon. Look like something's coming on over here too. Let me go ahead and plant these seeds in some soil and see if I can grow me a plum tree and a lemon tree from seed. Okay, I'm gonna place one plum seed in each one of these little container cups. And over here, I'm just gonna spread all of the lemon seeds into this big container pot. And let's see if I can get them to grow. Okay, here's one plum seed. Let me dig a little hole here. Put it down in there. Then cover it up with the soil. Pat it down. Get the air bubbles out of it. Do this other one. Okay. Plum seed. Let's see if you're gonna grow me a plum tree. The last one. Okay, dig a hole and put it down in that soil. Okay, plums. Start growing. You get bigger, then I'm gonna transplant you into some bigger pots and get through the winter with you and get out in the spring and put you in the ground. I hope you grow big and beautiful for my family. Okay, now let's go over here and let's put our lemons in this pot. Lemon seeds. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. 10 lemon seeds. Now let's cover them up with the dirt and pat it down. Air bubbles out of it. Okay, lemon. Okay, lemon, start growing. Okay, plums, start growing.